So here we're given this definition of what's called a triangular number. You don't have to know the terminology itself. And they tell us that it's for any integer n greater than 0, and it's the number of dots in a triangular array with n points on each side. So for example, T2 means you have 2 dots on this side, 2 on this side, T3, 3 here, and 3 here, and 4, same thing, 4 on both sides. And this pattern will repeat. So for example, T5 would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we have to fill these out. So I do need 3, 2, let's just make sure I do it right. 2, 3, actually, yeah, I need to 1, 2, 3. So basically we'll have 5 on each of the edges. So not only just these two, but here as well. That's 4 here, 3 here. So same thing, 5 here, 5 here. Question is, what is the value of T64, which is the number of points? So we need to count these, and if you look at, so we have to observe a pattern. So if I need to count and I draw lines like this, T4 is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Here it's 1 plus 2 plus 3. And that's basically the pattern for 64 would be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 all the way to 64. And we just need to sum this. If you happen to know the sum of first n natural numbers is given by this, you can just apply that here. N is 64, so this would be 64 times 64 plus 1 over 2. That's 32. This becomes 32 times 65. So that's the fastest way to do this. I hope my multiplication is correct. 2080 it does in the answer choices, and that is K. So I hope you do know how to do this, but if not, then this is also an arithmetic sequence where the average is the average of the first and last term. So that would be 65 over 2, 1 plus 64 over 2, and then you multiply it by number of terms. This is true for any sequence where the terms are uniformly spaced, and you'll see we get the same answer. So the answer is K.